Tanpura. This Indian instrument with 4 strings looks and sounds at first sight like a sitar. It is utilized to develop a drone background for Indian classical music. You cannot play any melodies on it. The 4 strings are frequently tuned to tonico, octave, and 2 similar fifths. A special method of placing a string of cotton on one end of the string produces a great spectrum of overtones: fire, air, and area. The sound is extremely relaxing and comforting. It is rather simple to utilize as a background for your own singing in a modal method.